Hey BROCHIKAS, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you this little DIY that I made recently. It is a vanity stool. I really wanted a faux fur vanity stool, but I did not want to pay $40, so I made it myself. I am not a DIY YouTuber by any means, but I figured that you guys might want to see this since it is for a vanity and my channel is about beauty and lifestyle. So if you're interested in seeing how I made it, just keep on watching. We're rolling right into it. I basically found an old pillow that I already had, and I cut off the pillowcase and then cut the pillow in half. So this is gonna be our chair pad. What I did was I take a marker and I just traced out the stool, and that way I could cut the circle out from the pillow. So this stool I got from a thrift store. It was actually a Goodwill. It was only $7.99 and it was already silver, so I didn't need to spray paint it. So we're going to hot glue this chair pad or pillow onto our stool. You can use, what is that? EO6 or E6 100 or whatever that other glue is. You could use super glue, I guess. I just use hot glue because that's what I had. Keep in mind, my daughter took some of these clips for me and my husband took the rest of the clips for me. So this is a little shaky, but hey, give her a thumbs up because she's 6 years old and she helps me film. So after I glued on the chair pad, I took my fur, and you kind of just have to do this the best you can. There's really no rhyme or reason to the way I did it. And this faux fur I got from Hobby Lobby. For 1 yard, it was $16, but I got less than a yard. So I paid $10 for a pretty good amount of the fur. I still have some left over, so. One thing that I did do here is I made 4 slits in the corners of the square of fur, if that makes any sense at all. That way it could go through the legs, and then I would just take the flap and wrap it over as tightly as I could, and then I glued it, and any excess I would just cut off. So the whole bottom is fur because I didn't want any of the chair to show through, but it came out really, really cute. It looks exactly like the ones that you buy in the store that they crank up the price to like $40, which is absolutely ridiculous, and I paid less than $18 to make this stool. So I hope that you guys really enjoyed this. I hope that it was useful or helpful for some of you. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.